yeah. Flip mode. Here we come.
Morning, morning.
Morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Group. Everybody does that.
Here's this guy who's got a broken collarbone.
You hungry? All right, so chef, what do we have for?
We're having some anti-nausea peanut butter and banana. 6G approved from the Air Force.
6G approved, ladies and gentlemen.
This is our secret trick to not puke our brains out the first time in the jet.
I like that.
So you get your peanut butter and you need a good spread.
Yes.
Jif quality ingredients here.
Jif quality ingredients. And you know, the bread actually stays warm on the hood of a Camaro.
Exactly. It keeps it nice and soft. It's kind of like those Uncrustables you get.
Yes.
You get a nice, even, about 1/8 inch thick spread, or 3 millimeters for you European folks.
Yeah.
You get your banana. The good thing with the banana is, if you do happen to puke and it fails you, it tastes the same exact same when it comes up. Can confirm.
It's the same coming up
So
as it was
just-
going
You
down.
don't get that nausea, that secondary puke after the first one because of the taste.
That's brilliant.
It really helps with the nausea if you get sick. No problem.
All right, who brought their AAA guy? Dave, what's wrong with your car? This man's prepared for everything. So it gets everybody.
One sweet spot with everything. Go ahead, man.
Ladies first, I dig it. I'm getting some fresh milk here. Look at all the proud mamas and papas here.
I'd love to get a shot with the driver by their car. Every driver by their car.
You guys are welcome to do that. I'll take the picture.
No, you're a driver too.
traffic. I'm your host, Anthony Wong. This is NorCal Camaros going nowhere. This is the big bladder crew right here.
We already took our break.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
I was done, dude. She told me like a month ago that you were going into high school. High school? Wait a minute.
Like, what happened?
My chin diaper. We got back
How
in
were
the
those
thing.
pancakes?
I was wondering, I was like, I don't
You got some pancakes on your shirt.
pancakes on your shirt.
You got some Camaro on yours.
What's up?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think we got it.
Thanks for coming out and supporting our habits.